So, you mind just going like this with your hands for me real quick?
What's that?
Put your hands like this for me real quick.
Okay.
Okay. So you have a warrant for your arrest out of Kenosha.
I didn't know about anything like that.
We'll do that too. All right, let's go in. We'll get. Would that make you happy? All right, let's do that.
The fact that a judge signed off on a probable cause warrant for first degree intentional.
A routine traffic stop. A two-year-old murder warrant. 2 70-year-olds in handcuffs. Before we analyze each step, ask yourself one question. What happens when a detective keeps talking after a suspect clearly asks for a lawyer? Every answer in this video is grounded in law, not opinion.
Hello.
I'm sorry, officer.
Oh, you're fine. You have a license and proof of insurance on you?
I do, yes.
Okay. Well, I'm Deputy Wegger of the McHenry County Sheriff's Office. There's a couple reasons to stop you. You just never used your turn signal. From the whole time I saw you, when you turned out of your neighborhood and then turned left and then changed lanes and all that.
I'm on my way to get my oil changed. My home, so I'm worried about leaving him now.
Okay.
And I'm sorry.
No worries. That's just why I stopped you. Just didn't use it at all.
Okay. So there's my insurance.
Okay. Thank you.
And you want my license?
Yes, please.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
And that's a good address for you still? So, you mind just going like this with your hands for me real quick?
What's that?
Put your hands like this for me real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
What's going on, sir?
I'll explain that in a second, okay?
Okay.
So you have a warrant for your arrest out of Kenosha.
I didn't know about anything like that.
Okay. Well, that's just why you're in handcuffs right now. Do you have anybody that can come pick up the car?
Well, you guys want to follow me so I can drive it home?
Can't do that now.
Would it be okay if I parked it for you and we could give you the keys back?
Yeah, whatever you want to do. When was the warrant issued?
Today.
Is that why you guys pulled me over then, or?
You mean you just use your turn signal in front of me?
All right, I have a lawyer too. Do I need to get my lawyer, or what's the scoop?
It's up to you. I'm not asking you any questions right now. You're just being detained right now based off of the warrant that you have out of Kenosha. But the warrant was confirmed. You'll be transported to our jail and then be extradited to Wisconsin. Your bond is only $75,000, which...
How much is that?
I'm guessing it'll probably be 10% of that, so I would think. I don't really know how Wisconsin does it, but...
That's how it works here, but we can only speak on Wisconsin.
Yeah.
So
if it's 10% of $75,000, $7,500, then you can get out. But you'll have to see a judge at least. So...
All right, I gotta start. When can I start calling my family and let them know what's going on?
We're making some phone calls quick to see what the whole transportation thing is, if we're just going to take you ours or how it's going to work. So we'll let you know. Worst case, if you don't make any right now, you can make someone to get to the jail with the phone call or phones from there. Okay.
Right.
It might not just be from your cell phone.
They'll let me make more than one phone call. I know you said.
Yeah, you're allowed. I think 3 within the first 3 hours. We're going to have you hop up here. Okay. I know it's kind of a jump to get up there. There's a handle up there if that's easier too.
When was the warrant issued?
Today.
So were you guys waiting for me?
No, I just drove by and you committed a bunch of these traffic violations in front of me.
Warrants for?
Probably to ask me questions about.
Well, it's okay. Well, I'm not going to ask you. I know you said you want your lawyer, but if you want me to explain what's going on, I can do that. But do you understand what I'm saying?
I do.
Okay. So if you want me to explain what's going on, you got to at least acknowledge that you're okay with me explaining that to you.
Okay.
Just so you know that.
Okay, you can explain it.
Okay. This is what we got. You have a warrant for your arrest. It's for first-degree intentional homicide. Party to a crime for the murder of David. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, we've been working on this for 22 years. I've been on this case since 2012. And then, I'm sure you remember we just talked to you, 4 or 5 weeks ago? So, we've done a lot of work on this case. I mean, it's been a marathon. But this is not just a warrant just to question you. A judge has signed it saying there's enough probable cause to state that you are involved in an first-degree intentional homicide. Your husband. That's so.
It's time.
It's time. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not I want you to understand. I'm not asking you questions. I'm just going to tell you. It's time. This has gone on for 22 years. The evidence is clear that you were involved in this, or at a very, very minimum, you know what happened, okay? There's no other theory to this case. There's no other theory to what happened to David. We have gone over this case over and over. We examined all the evidence. We've examined all your statements.
I want to talk to my lawyer.
Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, but I want you to hear me, though, before we're done talking. Okay, I want you to really think about this, because apparently you didn't listen to me when I talked to you 4 weeks ago. I can try to sympathize with you in your situation, with your husband right now especially. You're 70 years old.
It's awful right now.
No, I can understand that, okay? So hear me out. I want you I'm going to leave you with this, because this is exactly how I left you about 4 or 5 Saturdays ago. I understand that your husband has that's a nasty disease. That's a nasty, and I can only imagine how hard it is to try to take care of him, okay? Like me and Kelly told you that day, you can either be treated as a witness or you can be treated as a suspect, okay? This is where we're at now. I'm going to be in full disclosure, I was really hoping that I was going to get a phone call from you after we left your house at some point saying, hey, I really would like to talk. That didn't happen. That's why I pushed this off. We pushed this off as long as we could, because I want. Okay, well, I'm going to tell you right now. That's why we pushed it off. You know damn well what happened. You know it. And what I'm trying to tell you is this. I'm going to leave you with my card again, and so is Jason. If you want to ever talk, you want to be treated like a witness instead of treated like a suspect, this is something that we can talk about. I mean, the ball is kind of in your court. This is a very unique situation. It's not like you're a 30-year-old woman that's in custody for homicide. You're 70 years old. You're talking about a case that was 22 years ago. You have mitigating factors in the fact that you have a husband at home with a significant disease that needs to be taken care of. Me and Jason have talked to our DA's office, the DA, not an ADA. We've talked to the DA and the ADA. They can sympathize also with you with this.
Yes.
But here's the problem. I have nothing to go on right now other than what the evidence shows us, because I have nothing from you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
I got nothing from you to even try to even tell the DA, listen, Roxanne, she kind of told us what was going on. She's fessed up to what she knows. I don't even have that, so I can't even go to him right now and say, listen, this is what I got right now. We went to talk to her. She didn't want to talk. It's all I have. I can't do anything else with that.
I keep telling you, I don't know anything. I really don't. And
For a second. You put your hands behind your back for me. John. Put your palms together. How you doing, man? Lieutenant Paulson with the Country County Sheriff's Office. You're under arrest. We got a warrant for your arrest, okay? You have any questions right now?
No.
You know what it's for?
Well, you guys called me.
Yeah, so what let me just...
Did you push my glasses up?
Yeah. You get your...
All right.
So, you got a warrant for... You know what you got a warrant for.
Yeah.
So, this is what I'd like to do. Okay? No, just hear me out, okay? If you're going to cooperate, or, we can handcuff you in front once we get over there, okay?
I'm not even doing
I understand.
I'm too old for this shit.
I understand. Hear me out, okay? We're going to take you downtown. Me and Jason, it's my partner. You talk to him on the phone.
Hi.
This is Mike over here, okay? We'd like to try to talk to you. I really would like to just see what you got to say, but I want to go over some things first, but let's go downtown and we'll go from there. Is there anything you need from here?
I like to put a pair of pants on, not these house pants.
Like what kind of pants?
Regular jeans.
I think you're good. You don't need, do you want us to bring jeans with? Is that fine? Is that for you?
This is what you want.
No, you want to wear jeans?
It's all right.
No, I'm asking, do you feel more comfortable in jeans?
Well, these are kind of, it's my house.
Yeah, I understand.
No.
If we cuffed you in front, would you be able to put jeans on like that?
I'm sure I could.
You want to do that? Do you mind if we come in then when you do that?
Well, one of you guys can walk in with me.
Yeah, I would like that. If that would make you feel better, I will be more than happy to make that happen for you.
And then I could get my wallet out of the car.
Okay, we'll do that too. All right, let's go in. Would that make you happy?
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
Is there anybody else inside? And are there any weapons inside?
Yes.
Okay, are they locked up or?
They're put away.
Okay.
There's a BB gun that's out.
I'm not worried about that, John.
Not since I quit chartering.
Okay. Oh, did you use charter? Yeah.
Yeah. You know, you guys, nothing has changed. You know, I don't know what you expect me to tell you.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. We're gonna.
But like you said, it's an ugly situation.
Yeah. Well, then here's what I'll tell you. We're gonna go downstairs. I'll talk. We'll get over the formalities, and then we'll talk about it. I'll kind of tell you where I'm at with this, and then you can, if you want to fill in the blanks or tell me I'm wrong or whatever, we'll go from there. Okay?
I'd rather just call my lawyer.
Okay. Well, that's you have that choice too.
I tried talking to you guys and you can't ever stop.
So he's gonna take you down there, and then we're gonna talk to you when we get down there. Okay?
You behind me? Yep.
Okay.
You know, I wanted to talk to a lawyer. That's it.
I understand. That's you're right. I just know this case isn't going away. Obviously. Yeah, there's an actual arrest warrant for first-degree intentional homicide, so it's not going away. We are more. If you decide you want to talk tomorrow or the next day or whatever, we're more than happy to drive all the way back down here to talk to you.
Okay. Well, first I'm going to talk to my lawyer, see what he advises.
Okay. Well,
I mean, innocent people go to jail all the time, and I'm sorry, I'm scared. So I'm like, I've got a lot in my life I've got to worry about right now.
I understand.
So that's all I'm saying. I just want to talk to my lawyer.
Yeah, but I want you to understand that this was not taken lightly, and the fact that a judge signed off on a probable cause warrant for first-degree intentional homicide should tell you something. This is not a fishing expedition. I mean, this case is as solid as could be.
Okay.
And I'd be more than happy to, we're more than happy to talk to you. If you want to call us and get a hold of us, you can ask for us. We'll be more than happy to come down here and talk to you again. Anything else you wanted to say, or do you have any other questions?
I guess not, no.
So, like I said, you'll come down here, you'll have an extradition hearing. It looks like you do possibly have a bond. I'm going to confirm that, but...
Do you know how much, or?
I think it's like $75,000.
And what do you got to come up with, like?
That's cash.
No, I mean, you don't pay the whole 75,000.
Yeah.
Usually it's a percent, right?
Not because it's a Wisconsin warrant, it's the full thing.
It's a what?
So Illinois does like a 10% bond or whatever. That's
Yeah.
Not Illinois. In Wisconsin, it's a full amount.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Why? Do you think you can come up with you got 75,000?
No.
Okay.
Who has 75,000?
Well, I know. I'm just saying.
No.
Okay.
Nope.
All right. Is there anything else anything else we can talk about, or do you have any other questions? I guess I should say.
No. When was the warrant issued?
Today.
All right.
It's been a process. After we went, just so you understand, we did give you some time, because I'll be honest with you, I really believed that you were going to call me. I did. I'm just telling you what I think.
All right.
I believed you were going to call me, and you didn't. And finally, we had no choice. We had to do this. So, and again, the judge signed off on it, so I think that should tell you something.
When can I call my lawyer?
You could, I don't know. I mean, whenever these guys will let you.
Okay.
Why? Do you want to talk to him like now, or?
Well, I just want to know what to do. I mean, I don't know.
I mean, I could ask them if you could call him, if that's what you want. I mean, we could definitely put a request in for you to see if you want to call him.
Well, I was told when I come here I can make some phone calls. That's why I wanted to know. And
Yeah.
Like, hey guys, I'm sorry, I'm done for now.
Okay. I mean, just looking at this, I mean, you're gonna have an opportunity to call him. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure I know what he's gonna tell you, but you could tell him to call me or Jason. We've worked with him before. Yeah, we've worked with him a couple times. So we know him. First person who talks.
What? First
Well, the first.
The gold ring or what?
What's that? Well, no, the first person who talks is going to get significant consideration. I'm serious. We're not talking. Like I said, we're not. We're not talking about it. You know, you're not 30 years old, and this is 22 years ago. You're 70 years old. I mean, you're not. We talked about this the day, you know, when we talked to you at your house.
I know.
I'm really trying to. I'm trying to understand your situation and trying to work with you, and but I can't. My hands are kind of tied because you're not giving us much.
There's nothing to give you. I don't know how much more I can tell you.
Well, I don't believe that, and you know that's not true. You know that. Like I said, we did not come down here on a fishing expedition. This went in front of a judge, a circuit court judge, who agreed that we had probable cause to charge you with first-degree intentional homicide.
Fourth Amendment, traffic stop validity, Ren v. United States, 517 U.S. 8061996. Any observed traffic violation, however minor, constitutes valid probable cause for a stop, regardless of the officer's actual investigative intent. Legal lesson pretext is irrelevant. The violation alone controls. Fourth Amendment, arrest warrant, standard, Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances standard. A neutral magistrate reviewed the evidence and signed the warrant. That threshold was cleared. The arrest itself is constitutionally sound. Interstate extradition, 18 U.S.C. Section 3182, Uniform Criminal Extradition Act, 725 ILCS 225. The arrestee may challenge only identity and facial warrant validity. The merits of the underlying charge are not litigable at the extradition stage. Legal lesson fighting extradition on factual grounds is a losing battle. Fifth and Sixth Amendment, custodial interrogation, Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966. Before custodial interrogation, law enforcement must advise right to remain silent, right to counsel, right to appointed counsel. Any statement obtained without this advisement is presumptively inadmissible at trial. The critical rule, right to counsel, invocation, Edwards v. Arizona, 451 U.S. 4771981. Once a suspect in custody clearly invokes the right to counsel, all interrogation must stop immediately. Police cannot resume until counsel is present or the suspect voluntarily reinitiates contact, no exceptions. No, just one more thing. The phrase "I want to talk to my lawyer" is a constitutional stop sign. What counts as interrogation? The monologue problem, Rhode Island v. Innis, 446. U.S. 2 911980. The test is not whether police asked a direct question. The test is whether their conduct was reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response. Davis v. United States, 512. U.S. 4521994. The invocation must be unambiguous. A persuasion monologue after a clear invocation triggers the same Edwards prohibition. The charges. Mandatory consequences. Wisconsin Statute 940.01, first-degree intentional homicide. Mandatory life, no parole. Wisconsin Statute 939.05, party to a crime. A co-conspirator carries identical criminal liability as the principal. Legal lesson: you do not have to pull the trigger to spend the rest of your life in prison. Suppression doctrine, fruit of the poisonous tree, Wong Sun versus United States, 371 U.S. 4711963. Any evidence derived from a constitutional violation is tainted and subject to suppression. If the post-invocation contact violated Edwards, every statement made afterward, every lead it produced, every derivative evidence may be excluded at trial entirely. Practical lesson: the only safe move after invocation: silence is not guilt. Silence is not suspicious. Silence is constitutionally protected strategy. After invoking the right to counsel, every word spoken, even a denial, becomes a statement that prosecutors can attempt to use against you. Say the words, then say nothing else. The detective kept talking after she asked for her lawyer. A judge signed the warrants. The evidence exists. The case is going to trial. But will the post-invocation statements survive a suppression motion? If one defendant cooperates first, does the entire case shift? And after 22 years, is the evidence strong enough to convict without a single confession? The courtroom has not spoken yet.